These are the steps to take to turn off notifications on your Android device. Maybe the pop-up or the top of the screen is disturbing, all right, and it's distracting you. Just follow this step. The first step is to swipe up to access all the apps on your phone. Okay, in the search area, type settings for the settings app to show up. So select the settings. Okay, once the settings app opens, you will be landed on an interface that looks like this. But the structure may be different depending on the type of Android device you are using. So get to any settings options that will allow you to access the apps on your Android device. You can see here, app management is one of the options. So it means that I can manage apps from here. So I will tap on app management. Now we are giving some options too, some sub settings options. All right, you can see app list, screen time, default apps. My interest here is on app list so that it will list both the default apps and the ones I installed by myself. So I'll tap on that app list. So follow the similar step in your own phone. Then on this page, it's now time to get to the app that will be sending those pop-ups on your screen, on your phone. So and turn them off one after the other. Turn off the notifications. I think I want to start with Palm Play or so. So let me get to where the app is. Okay, Palm Store. I want to turn off Palm Store first, the notifications. So I'll tap on the name of the app, which is Palm Store in this case. Okay, then on this new page, tap on notifications. Then you can see allow notifications. This is toggled on by default. So tap on that button, that allow notification button, for it to be off, and it's toggled off. So with this, you cannot get notifications from this app again. All right, so I'll go back. There's a new app here that they call GENIEX or Sir. I think Android recently added it, and the pop-up is disturbing. See it here, GENIEX. All right, so I want to turn it off as well. So I'll tap on it, then tap on the notifications, and then allow notifications. I will toggle it off. Simple. So these two apps will not send me notifications again. So follow this step to turn off app notifications on your own Android phone. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing, leave a comment, and hit the like button so that YouTube will recommend this content to more people. Okay? Thank you, and see you some other time.